10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning, SK. I'm the one and only Ainsley Agee.
You may know me as the famous Hammer Time dancer. Or just Kenzie. Yeah, I'm Kenzie Wright.
Yours truly, Bailey Burbank. We're your senior leaders to cheer, bringing you through today's show.
Let's rally them into the clubs, girls.
Meeting today is Interact, Builders of Unity, and Magic and Trading Card Games.
And Monday, Anime, ASL, Model UN, and STEM will all meet.
Seniors, just do the FAFSA. It's better sooner than later, and we all know we are going to push it off, so get it over with. The Career Center will be happy to help you.
Also, the Career Center is now tech savvy. You can get news by following the Career Center on Instagram and Twitter at SK Career Center. See Mr. Reichel for all post-high school information.
And don't forget, tonight is senior night.
Please come support. We aren't the only ones celebrating senior night tonight.
Before we show you who else,
Tonight at 6:15.
Senior night. Be there or be square.
see ya, SK.
Wow, they look pretty good.
Huh, yeah, they do.
Maddie, that's us.
Duh, yeah, I know. I was just making sure you guys were paying attention.
Anyways, I'm Easton Bird, representing AFMED for senior night.
I'm Allie Newhouse, dance team captain and representing AFMED as well.
And I'm Maddie Hickle, dance team captain.
All right, guys, I can start us off. Are you interested in playing girls basketball? There's an important preseason meeting, Monday at 2:10 in the choir room.
Lady Bowlers, if you're interested in bowling, please see Coach Ledoux in the security office. The season begins at the end of this month.
All students, please check with the security office to see if your name was drawn in the lottery for a parking permit. You have until today or it goes to the next person.
All right, guys, this has been fun.
Before we give you today's schedule of events, remember,
Senior night, tonight.
At 6:15.
be there or be square.
How's it going, SK? I'm Emily Cohen.
And I'm Jordan Javier. We are your SK band representatives for our senior night tonight.
But before we get into anything, Mr. Ogan is here to give us a few pointers about our security assembly Monday.
Take it away, Mr. Ogan.
Hey, thank you. Good morning, South Kitsap. Hey, just to let you know, on Monday we'll be having a learning assembly with Jesus Villahermosa from Crisis Response Training. Mr. Villahermosa is one of the nation's most renowned experts in school safety. He and his team were here for our lockdown drill last month and are working on a full assessment of our school and process. His presentation will provide you knowledge and skills to assess a threatening situation at school or in the community and make good decisions which could save your life. We will be operating on an adjusted schedule for Monday. You will follow the third period schedule based on your lunch. Those who have third and fourth lunch will go to the first assembly. Those with first and second lunch will go to the second assembly. But we need all students to report to the third period class at 9:39 on Monday. Some expectations. Once you're dismissed, we need you to go straight to the gym. We're on a tight time frame for these assemblies. Sit in the assigned sections of the gym. Your third block teacher will tell you where your sections will be on Monday. And remember, this is a learning assembly. Please pay attention. His message is important and it is for your safety.
Thank you again for coming on to today's show.
Emily, now let's give them some news.
All students, if you have an elevator key checked out that you no longer need, please return it to Ms. Pence in the main office ASAP. And remember, to fellow seniors and sophomores, we are filling out a Healthy Youth survey Monday in our third blocks.
If you have purchased pictures at homecoming, they will be available during lunches on Monday. Please stop by the table. Tomorrow, FFA chapter would love your support. Get a cute pet picture at 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Tractor Supply in Silverdale. There's no cost, but donations are appreciated. And paintings with your friends at 5 p.m. $35 if paid early, $40 if paid at the door.
Well, Jordan, there's one more team left that hasn't made an appearance. So before we hand it over, tell the audience what they have to remember.
Tonight at 6:15.
Senior night.
Be there or be squared.
Like I love South. You guys come to the football game. It's the best experience in high school. Let's go!
Best for last, am I right, boys? I'm Deshaun Keel, football captain.
I'm Darren Armion, football captain.
Matthew Burns, football captain.
I am Angelico Lund, football captain.
Ethan Fregoso, football captain.
Now into sports. The JV Wolves soccer got another win and a shutout under their belts with a 4-0 win. Leah Hammond was named MVP.
Your varsity Wolves tied against Emerald Ridge 0-0. Megan Nail earned a shutout, and Tiana Latham was your MVP of the match.
Now it's time for the Wolves of the Week. Brianna Tovar for helping out a classmate.
Sean Cononizato for helping a classmate out and encouraging them.
And Noah Dees for sitting next to someone who is alone at lunch.
Well, if you haven't got the memo, it's our senior night. My girl's going to be there, so you should be too.
Yes, indeed.
Yes, indeed. I wanted to end the show with a football pun, but I didn't want you guys to punt me out.
Holy Hermon Day, Sean. Yeah, that's a flag.